Can an easement stop your property development plans? Have you ever wondered if an easement could derail your plans for property development? This is a common concern for many property owners. Let's break it down so you can understand how easements work and what they might mean for your development plans. An easement is a legal right allowing someone else to use your land for a specific purpose. This could be a neighbor needing access to their property or a utility company installing power lines. Easements are not just casual agreements. They are binding and stay with the land, even if you sell it. When you have an easement on your property, it can limit what you can do with your land. For instance, if there is a conservation easement, you might not be allowed to build any new structures. This restriction is put in place to protect certain environmental features. Easements can also restrict how you use your land. You may not be able to fill in certain areas, cut down trees, or change drainage patterns if these actions interfere with the easement. This can be a big issue if your development plans involve significant changes to the land. Another important aspect is access rights. If an easement allows a neighbor or utility company to cross your property, you cannot block their access. This means that any construction you plan must consider these access points. Sometimes, easements come with maintenance responsibilities. You might be required to maintain certain areas of your property or allow others to do so. This can complicate your development plans and add extra costs. Because easements are legally enforceable, trying to develop your property in violation of an easement can lead to serious issues. You could face legal disputes, be stopped from continuing your construction, or even be liable for damages. To avoid these problems, it is essential to conduct thorough research before purchasing property. Check public records for any existing easements. Understanding the specific terms of these easements is vital. Some may allow limited development, while others could prohibit it entirely. If you find an easement on your property, consider negotiating or clarifying its terms. Sometimes, easement agreements can be modified to allow for certain developments. Consulting with a real estate attorney can also help identify easement issues early on. They can provide guidance on how to work around or modify easements effectively. Finally, always consider easements in your long-term planning. They can affect your property value and usage indefinitely. Ignoring them can lead to costly delays or legal challenges down the road. In summary, easements can indeed stop or limit your property development plans. Understanding their implications and taking proactive steps can help you navigate these legal challenges successfully.